Hello and welcome to the transcription explanation of these two designs. So this design here says Rint and Fey touched, and then this design says Dion of the
Dion.
Dion?
Dion.
Dion. Oh, neat. Well, Dion. Okay. Yeah. Well, now I'm pronouncing it right. I spelled it right though, right?
Yes.
D-I-O-N. Dion. Dion.
Dion.
Dion.
Yes.
Dion of the Midnight Song. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, lovely. Okay, cool. So, anyway, this script uses a combination of these letter stems and these modifiers to make each consonant. So, an R is this shallow divot stem with three dot modifiers, so like that. And in our design, we have that shallow divot with three dots here. So this is kind of like a halfway point, or the font unraveled version. And then an I has a line going towards the middle. And vowels are these little guys, shown here. And an I has that line going towards the middle, and an N completed circle with one line. So like that there, and then a T, shallow divot, no modifier. So that's written. And then Dion has a deep divot with three dots. So very similar to the R. The difference being this is a deep divot, whereas this is a shallow divot. So yeah, 50% or more of a circle or 50% or less of a circle. Yeah.
Can I ask a question?
Yeah, go for
if
it.
it would not interrupt what you're doing?
Yeah.
So this is this sort of a language
Yeah.
that's where did this language come from?
Oh, this came from me and my friend back in high school.
So it's one that you had part in making.
Making, yes.
That is
And it's
incredible.
also well known in the Doctor Who fandom because it
Really?
has been used as the language of the Time Lords.
Okay.
So I invented the language of the Time Lords, and that's what this is. Congratulations, you bought designs custom by one of the inventors of one of the most well known fan made crop circle
Round of
ciphers.
applause for you. Yes.
So
Right.
yeah,
Round of applause.
I am the scribe of Sirkles. So anyway, we are on Dion's name, and here's an I just like that I. An O is inside our word circle, and the N has one line ending on it. Lines that pass through things do not count. So, those are the main names, and then this stuff going around the outside. I felt like the main idea was the names, right? And then there's the descriptors going around the names. So here we have Faye. So this is a deep divot, just like the deep divot in the D, but there's 1, 2, 3 lines on it, and there's the A and the E, vowels, little guys, and then T, O, U, C, H. Because is there a T in touched? Is that how you spell touched?
Yes.
Yep. Okay, cool. I can't actually spell. Anyway, this deep divot with 2 dots is a CH, and then we have the E and the D. So, Fey touched, and then here we have of. Here's a circle, these are the word circles, and then the rest are that kind of unraveled design. I think it makes it a nice sort of like, I don't know, it looks nice, I like it. We have the O and the F, another deep divot with 1, 2, 3 lines, just like that, F and Fey, and then TH is a circle on the line of the word circle, and then there's the E, and then M, 1, 2, 3 lines on the M. I has a line going inwards. A D, just like this D in Dion, has 1, 2, 3 dots. And then we have this, which is an I inside of an N. So remember, an I has that line going inwards. So here's the I inside the N with one line. So an N, just like this one. So N-I, G has one line. And then we have this H with 2 lines and a T. So there's midnight, and then S, 1, 2, 3 lines on the S. Again, verification. You see it. I know what I'm talking about. We got 3 lines on the S there, yo. And then O inside, just like that O on Dion, and then an N has 1 line there, and a G has 1 line there, because again, G 1 line, N 1 line. So yeah, of the Midnight Song, and that is that, and I will end the recording here.